Welcome to my channel once again. Today we have this problem for you. Okay, in case this is your first time watching this video, go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we want to solve this problem using three layers method. Those three layers method, and you arrive at your final answer. So let's see how we're going to go about using the method. So the first thing, this should be our first layer. This should be the first layer. Then this should be the second layer. Then this should be the third layer. So ideally, we have to we start from the first layer, then we go to the second layer, then the third layer. So let's begin. Okay, so we're having 5 plus 2 over x. That is the first layer. Okay, so we need the LCM here. This is over 1. So we can set the LCM is what? X, because LCM of 1 and x is what? X. X go into x is what? 1. Then 1 times what? 2, you have your 2. Plus x go into 1 is x. X times 5, you have 5x. Okay, so for the first layer, this is what we obtain. So we replace it back. We replace it and then use the second layer. Okay, so the second layer was this 1 minus 5 over the first layer, minus 5 over the first layer, and the first layer now is 5x plus 2 all over x. That is the first layer. Okay, if that is the first layer, we put our equality sign and try to simplify this. So we're having 1, then minus 5 divide 5x plus 2 all over x. Okay, so from there, it's very simple. We will continue. You just bring a 1 minus, then 5. When you put times on top of division here, the number will interchange. So we have x over 5x plus 2. Now from there, your equality sign, you have 1, then minus 5x all over 5x plus 2. Then we now look for the LCM. LCM of 1 and 5x plus 2. From there, we're going to have 5x plus 2. The LCM is 5x plus 2. Okay, 5x plus 2 go into 5x plus 2. You still have 5x minus 5x plus 2 will go into 1. The same number times this, you have the same thing. So you have 5x plus 2. Now from there, collection of like term will come. This is 5x, this is minus 5x will become 0. So you're finally going to have 2 over 5x plus 2. This is for layer 2. This is answer of layer 1. This is layer 1, and this is our layer 2. That is the answer of layer 2. So we'll replace it. We'll replace it back and then get our third layer. The third layer is what? Is 1 plus 2 all over the whole of the second layer. The second layer is 2 over 5x plus 2. That is the second layer there. So from there, we just bring our equality sign. It's very simple. We will set our 1, which is this one, then plus 2 divide 2 all over 5x plus 2. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 plus 2. When you put multiplication on top of what? division, this number will change. So we have 5x plus what? 2 over 2. Okay, so ideally what will happen here is that these 2 will cancel out these 2. So you'll be left with 1 plus 5x plus 2. So collection of like terms, this is going to be 2 plus 1 plus 5x, and this is equal to 3 plus 5x, and that is it, using what? The layers. So finally you pick the answer of the what? The third layer, because that's the final, this is the what? The third layer. The third layer, you pick the answer. So that is the final answer of this very particular question. Thank you for